Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model Y performance versus Kia EV6 GT. Let's dive into their exhilarating capabilities. The Model Y performance boasts a rapid 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.5 seconds, delivering instant torque. Meanwhile, the EV6 GT edges it out slightly, reaching 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Both electric SUVs provide a thrilling driving experience with their powerful all-wheel drive systems, making them incredibly responsive on the road. Next, let's talk about how far these electric powerhouses can take you and how quickly they recharge. The Tesla Model Y performance offers a substantial estimated range of 303 miles, ideal for longer journeys. In contrast, the Kia EV6 GT provides an estimated range of 218 miles. However, the EV6 GT truly shines with its advanced 800-volt charging architecture, allowing for incredibly fast charging times when connected to compatible stations, minimizing your downtime. Beyond performance, practicality is key for an SUV. The Model Y performance offers a generous 76 cubic feet of maximum cargo space with the rear seats folded, providing ample room for gear. The EV6 GT, while still practical, offers 50 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. Inside, both vehicles present a sleek, modern aesthetic with large central touchscreens dominating the dashboard, offering a high-tech and user-friendly experience for drivers and passengers alike. Ultimately, your choice between the Tesla Model Y performance and the Kia EV6 GT depends on your priorities. If maximum range and cargo space are paramount, the Model Y is a strong contender. If you prioritize slightly quicker acceleration and cutting-edge fast-charging technology, the EV6 GT might be your perfect match. Both deliver exhilarating performance and advanced features. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.